Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Hit that like button. Leave us a comment down below. Boom. She brightens everything up. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another new day here with our 2017 Jeep Wrangler in beautiful Firecracker Red. And we got another mod in store for this thing today. It is a 52-inch, 1,080 watt LED light bar to go up top. Man, this thing gonna light up the night. We got some windshield lights, ditch lights, whatever you want to call them, to go down below. So we bought that thing. We got it right here. It is right here. Look at this thing. We're gonna get it unboxed here. Check it all out. See what we got. I'm fired up to get this on, get it all wired up. We got to run the wires. Got to get the switches set. We got a lot to do. Just bolting the light on is going to be the easiest part. But getting it to light up the night like we want it to do, that's going to be a little bit harder. But you know what? That's no challenge for us because we just jump right on it. We know what we want to do. We know what we want it to look like. So let's jump right on it right now. Let's get it done. Let's see what it looks like. And hopefully by nightfall we can light up the sky. My goodness, look at that thing. Gosh, she's gonna light up the sky. I mean, God, it looks good. It's looking really good. I just got it all temporaried up there. I've got to figure out how I'm gonna run the wires so you can't see it. But, ooh-wee, she's looking good. I mean, looking good. What's going on, guys? It's a brand new day here. We're still working on this big light bar job that we started here, but I did temporary some stuff up, and you're gonna like this. Check this out. Boom. Woo, that sucker's bright. She brightens everything up. Yeah, that thing's working good. It's just temporaried up. What I got to do now is I got to finish up this wiring stuff. We worked on it. We got everything all temporaried up. Now we just got to wire it up. But check this out. So the light bar, it only came with one wiring harness to connect up the little ditch lights with the light bar. But I wanted two, so I ordered another one to wire up the ditch lights. So we're going to wire that up, and then it came with this little rinky-dink switch here. But I got another switch. I can't wait to show y'all. I got a switch to take care of this. So let's get started. Let's get some of this wired. And everything is going our way on this wiring job. This thing is going perfect. And both of these lights, both of them, they came with their own little switches. Like that little thing, and then this little thing. But we're not using that. We're not using that because we bought something to make this thing cool, to make it look good on the inside, not just throw switches around everywhere. Well, check this thing out. Boom. Yeah, that's going to take the place of our A-pillar cover. We're going to have those rockers in there. So that's going to make this thing look great. Look like this is a factory job, because that's what we want. We want it to look like it came from Chrysler Jeep, just like we made it here. So that's why we bought this. It's going to go right in there. Got a bunch of wires that we got to hook up. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to run the wires for this thing. Then we're going to get these lights wired into this switch, and we'll see how it all looks. Here we go. So check this out. I'll tell you how we wired it all up. So basically, what we did right here on this is I wired the switches into the marker lights. When you turn the lights on, the blue lights light up to let you know. What this also does is it lets you not keep the lights on when you cut the switch off. So that's a good thing. So when you turn the lights on, then I run a trigger wire out to the hood. Check that out. So I just ran a trigger light to the switches up top. Boom. It's sweet. We still got some zombie lights and another LED light bar. Man, that thing turned out good. It turned out really good. You know, just the light bar and the ditch lights, the windshield lights, whatever you want to call them there. We ordered those from Walmart.com, so I'll put the link down below. Also ordered the little switch, the A-pillar switch. I think that come from Walmart.com as well. That thing's pretty cool. It's going to be really nice, you know. And you know what? In the next video, we could be adding some more lights to this thing because we got 2 more switches to occupy. So why not, right? So you know what? We've done a really good job. We made everything. We made really quick work of this. I really like it. I can't wait to take it out tonight and see what it does because it's really looking great. And this Jeep is coming along amazing. It's a beautiful Jeep. We're doing these mods. We're making it look professional, almost factory-like. You know, it's really going good. It's going great. Can't tell you how excited we are that you're coming with us on this journey. You know, we appreciate each and every one of you. We really do. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Hit that like button. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.